Okay, today we will see BubbleSort in Java code. ዛሬ እንግዲህ የምናየው በጃቫ ኮድ በብርሶርት እንዴት ኮዱን እንደምንጽፍ ነው የምናየው። ወደ ኮዱ ከመሄዳችን በፊት ግን ሰብስክራይብ ያላደረጋችሁ ላይ ሰብስክራይብ አድርጉ። So today we will see BubbleSort in Java code. Before starting the code, we have to create a class called BubbleSort. Here is the name of our class name. So after creating our class, we will directly start our code. Before that, let us erase this. After erasing, first in Java, we have to declare, as we say before, we have to create or we have to call main method. Firstly, every Java code must have main method. So we have to declare main method like this: public static void main, then in the press string args. So after that, to open the press. After that, we have to declare different variable under this main method. The first thing we have to declare here is for BubbleSort. We have to an array. Maybe it accept from user or already given. So for first time, let us do it. The number or the value of the array is given in the brace. So we declare int a is an array equal to, let us give some number that is this value is must be unsorted, because to check whether the unsorted value is sorted or not. So we give an integer number that are not sorted. So let us give some number 99, 88, 2, 77, 6, 3. You can give any number. Now you can also use negative number. -5, -5, 1, 0. You can give any number up to 8, -11, 22, 33. You give complicated number. Let us give 0. It is enough for this example. Future we also see this array value are given from user. So አሁን ለዛሬ ይሄንን ቫልዩ ሰተን አይተናል። ይሄ የአሬው ቫልዩ ነው ማለት ነው። አሁን ደግሞ ምንድነው አሬውን ብዛቱን እንዴት ነው የምናውቀው? በጃቫ ማለት ነው። ይሄ አሁን ስንት ነው? የአሬው ሳይዝ ስንት ነው? ወይ ደግሞ የአሬ ብዛት አሁን ቁጥራ ማለት ነው። 1 2 3 ብለን ስንት ነው? Now we have to declare another variable that is to know the size of the array or the length of the array. For this case, you can also count the number of the array like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15. We have 50 number of an array. So for others, you can get also the number of the array like this. To know the number of the value of the number of the array, you can also use this formula int. This is already the variable, and then 8.length, the array dot length. This gives the number of the array. For this example, you have 50. You can also 15. You can also use 50, only 50. So this also the same as 50. So this is all about our variable. Now we can go to how to sort by using for loop. But before moving for loop, let us see some simple animation that is simplify our code. So before going to this example, this code, we see some animation that make us to understand the bubble sort. For example, this is our BubbleSort and you can start here. So ስለዚህ ይሄንን ኮዱ ጋር ቀጥታ ሶርት ማድረግ ከመጀመራችን በፊት እቺን አኒሜሽን አይተን እንዴት በብልሶርት እንደሚሰራ እናያለን ማለት ነው። በብልሶርት የሚሰራው ትልቁን ቁጥር ወደ መጨረሻ እየወሰደ ሁለተኛው ትልቁን ሶስተኛ ትልቁን ወደ መጨረሻ ኢንዴክስ ላይ እየወሰደ ነው የሚያስቀምጠው ማለት መጨረሻ ላይ ትንሿ መጀመሪያ ትመጣለች ማለት ትልቁን እየወሰድን የመጀመሪያ ትልቅ የመጨረሻው ሁለተኛው ትልቅ እያለን መጨረሻ ላይ እያስቀምጥን ወደ መጀመሪያ መምጣት ነው ባለው ከሰሌክሽን ሶርት ጋር ተቃራኒ ነው ማለት ነው። ሰሌክሽን ሶርት ትንሹን ወደ መጀመሪያ እየፈለገ ያመጣል እያስቀመጠ ነው የሚሄደው። ይሄኛው ደግሞ በዛ ተቃራኒ ማለት ነው። ሶ በብል ሶርት is work by finding the largest number to put at the end, then the next largest at the next end point. After finally the smallest number is become the first index of an array. So let us see this animation to easily understand bubble sort. So let us play it. Yes, compare 2 and 37. 37 is greater than 2. It move to forward to move the largest number at the end. So it compare 37 with 6. 37 greater than, so it will swap each other. So look like, yes, swap. So finally, after sorted, yes, let's move the largest number at the end. Look like, move it. Finally, then compare the second largest is 44. Let us compare 37 with 7. Is the largest. Yeah, move the largest number at the end. It is a reverse of selection sort. As you know, selection sort is select the smallest and bring at the first point and then the second smallest. But bubble sort is a reverse of selection sort. So it bubble sort make the largest value move at the end. Then the second largest at end of the second at the second largest at the second index. So by moving the largest number at the end, finally the smallest number is become at the first point of the array. So let us see final. It will be 2 and 6. 13 is 30 is greater than 9. So swap to move this 30 at the end. So see 7 is less than. So now exchange. Now not exchange, not swap, because 30 is less than 70. So 70 will be compared with 13. So now also not swapped. Again at the first 2 and 6. So 2 is less than 6, not swap. Now 6 is less than 9. Now also not change. But for now 7 is less than 9. So swap. 9 is greater than 7. Swap. Yeah. And now 9 is less than 11. So don't swap. Then anything is now not swapped. Finally, the sorted arrays look like this. This is all about this animation. If you understand this animation, you can do the code easily. So let us now back to our code. ስለዚህ ይሄ አንደርስታንድ ካደረጋችሁ ቀላል ነው ማለት ነው። አንደርስታንዲንግ ካደረጋችሁ ቀላል ነው። ምንድነው የሚያደርገው? በብልሶርት ትልቁን መጨረሻ ላይ እየወሰደ ማስቀመጥ፣ ሁለተኛ ትልቁን ሁለተኛ መጨረሻ ላይ ማድረግ፣ ሶስተኛ ትልቁ ላይ ማድረግ ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ አሁን እንደምታዩት 45 እዚህ ጋር ያመጣዋል ማለት ነው። 45 እኔ መጨረሻ ላይ ወስደዋል። ሁለተኛ ትልቅ 44 እዚህ ይሆናል። ሶስተኛ ትልቅ 37ን እዚህ 3 ላይ ያወጣል ማለት። ስለዚህ ትልቁን እየወሰደ ወደ ዳር ያደርግና መጨረሻ ላይ ትንሿ መጀመሪያ ትሆናለች ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ይህን አንደርስታንድ ካደረጋችሁ ቀላል ነው። በብልሶርት ከሰሌክሽን ሶርት ተቃራኒ ነው። ሰሌክሽን ሶርት ምንድነው የሚያደርገው? ትንሿን ይፈልግና መጀመሪያ ላይ ያመጣል። ሁለተኛ ትንሿን ያመጣና ይፈልግና ሁለተኛ ትንሽ ላይ ያደርጋል። ሶስተኛ ትንሿን ይፈልግና ሶስተኛ ትንሽ ላይ ያደርጋል ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ በብልሶርት ደግሞ የዚህ ተቃራኒ ነው። ስለዚህ ሌተስ go to for start our code we need for loop for int I is equal to 0, I less than n minus 1 because not up to int because j is there is another variable called j, so I plus ያደርጋል ይሄድልናል ማለት ነው። then there is also another loop to compare each value of an array. So for int j will be start from 0, then j less than n minus 1, no, n minus I. You have to say n minus I because it will be at the end. After we move the first largest, we have to minus I. Then the second largest already sorted. So we have to minus I minus 1. So j plus. Then we have to compare here. if እዚህ ጋር ምንድነው የምናደርገው? j ከ0 ይጀምርና እስከ n minus I minus 1 ነው የሚሄደው። ምክንያቱም አይን የምንቀንስበት ምክንያት ምንድነው? የመጨረሻው አሁን አንዱን ወስደን ከመጣን መጨረሻ ላይ ካደረግነው ሙቭ ካደረግነው ያኛው ሶርት ሆኗል ማለት ነው ኦሬዲ። ስለዚህ አንድ እየቀነሰ ሁለት እየቀነሰ የመጨረሻዎቹ ሶርት እየሆኑ ይሄዳሉ ማለት መድገም የለብንም ማለት ነው። መድገም ስለሌለብን j minus I ይሆናል ማለት ነው። n minus I ባንለው ይሰራል፣ ግን ረኒንግ ታይሙን በጣም ያበዛብናል። ስለዚህ ለዛ ነው ማለት ነው እንደዚህ ያለው for if I a of j greater than ትልቅ ከሆነብን ማለት ነው። ትልቅ ከሆነ if greater than a plus the second element of j. So እንዲህ ከሆነ if j the first is greater than ከሆነ we have to swap this value. Let us declare another variable, temporary variable, initialized by 0, and then after declaring temp is equal to aj ይሆናል። greater than to swap because the first element is or the nearest element is greater than the next value of that array. So we have to swap here aj is equal to aj plus 1. So aj plus 1 is equal to temp. እያቀየርን ነው ማለት ነው። ትልቁን ወደፊት እንዲወስድልን የመጀመሪያው ከቀጣዩ ከበለጠ ወደ ፊት እየወሰድክ እየገፋን መጨረሻ ላይ እናደርገዋለን ማለት ነው ትልቁ። ስለዚህ ስዋፕ አደረግን ማለት ነው። ይሄ ይደጋገማል ማለት ነው። አይን እየጨመረ አይ ከኤን ማይነስ ሲበልጥ ፎልስ ይሆናል፣ ይወጣል ማለት ነው። ልክ ሲወጣ ሶርት የሆነውን ዲስፕሌይ ማድረግ አለብን። አፍተር ስዋፒንግ this will be repeated until this function this for loop is false. So after we repeat this up to n minus 1 then the sorted array will be displayed here for int k is equal to 0, k less than n semicolon I plus plus then k plus plus then to display this sorted array we have to by using System.out.print then here have to ak, this is the value. And finally after we have to use here a comma to differentiate or to separate the number by comma. Then this is all about our code. After we write this code to check this value is sorted or not, we have to run this value. So before running this program, please subscribe this channel, and if you like this video, please like and share for your friends. And if you have any comment or suggestion or question, you can ask me under this channel comment. ስለዚህ ይህን ይመስላል ኮዱ። ረን እናደርገዋለን። ረን ከማድረጋችን በፊት ግን ይህንን ቻናል ቤተሰብ ያልሆናችሁ ቤተሰብ ሁኑ፣ ሰብስክራይብ አድርጉ። ቪዲዮውን ከወደዳችሁ ደግሞ ላይክ እና ሼር በማድረግ ለጓደኞቻችሁ እንዲደርስ አድርጉ። ረን እናደርገዋለን ማለት ነው። ሌታስ ረን ኤንድ ቼክ ዌዘር ኢት ሶርትድ ኦር ኖት። ሶ ዚስ ኢዝ ዘ አውትፑት ኦፍ አወር code. Let us see from this array -11 is the first smallest, so -11 become here, but before running it will be here. So this is after running this after writing BubbleSort, is -11 is the first smallest. So here the second smallest is here 5, -5. So -5, 0 is repeated because of here and here 0, so 0 0. Then the next largest the next smallest value which from this array value 1, then from 1 to 3 8. This is already sorted value of our array. This is all about our BubbleSort code. If you have any question, you can comment under this channel comment section. If you have any question, you can ask me. So please subscribe this channel for future code. ስለዚህ ይህንን ቻናል ሰብስክራይብ ያላደረጋችሁ ሰብስክራይብ አድርጉ። ጥያቄ ካላችሁ ኮሜንት ላይ ጠይቁኝ። ለዛሬ ይህን ይመስላል። አመሰግናለሁ። Thank you very much for today. Next time we will come with another Java code. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.